Alright, here's the video of the clutch pack disassembling. So I'm pulling out the clutches because I have to send this core back to Europe. So trying to save, in the weight. It's already disassembled. I'm doing this first time ever, so it's pretty straightforward. You guys need a snap tool ring. You can get the one, or I had the set already for a long time. Let's go over the beginning, what you have to do. So this snap ring was on the top of the here. You have a notch all around it, notches where you're putting this ring. So that's actually, it's holding your clutch. So this part is right here. Then you got the bearing. You just, it's slightly pressed, so you gotta be very careful when you pull it out. Just use rubber hammer to something, to unpress that. So this is another snap ring. It was putting together those two pieces, clutch pack and the front plate. And on the top of it was the O-ring. Not the O-ring, seal. Shaft seal. Yeah, that one is definitely gonna get replaced. Unfortunately I damaged when I pull it out. So garbage. 1, 2. Always inspect all the parts, all the seals, like this one right here. I'll probably get the new one as well. Good to have it. I don't want any leaks, so we gotta replace that. And we gotta replace this O-ring. The bearing looks good. I don't see any play on it, so alright, another snap ring, and let's pull that thing out. So top cover. So what I would do, I would probably check for the metal wear outs. This one looks good. That was like micro welding or something. I can see the welded spots. Yeah, a little bit dirty, not too bad. So alright, so the K1, K2 clutches. Let's pull this out. This is the bearing as well. Just check, make sure it's all good. Check for the dirt and the material of the clutches. Looks like it was touching a little bit in here. Sound like you see those marks. It was okay. Here's you guys another snap ring. Let's pull all the clutches. K2. So here's the K2 clutches. Let's see how they look. Alright. They look pretty good. Look at that. It's I can see those clutches was really good shape. Sorry, this is my son over there throwing the stuff from the. I'm missing few pieces right here. And I guess the way they make these clutches, yeah, one over here piece is missing, one over here. Maybe the way they make this, I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely not really good design, but they did those notches to circulate all the oil pretty much going back to that place. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I don't see any problem. So these first two, friction plate looks good, clutch looks good to me, another friction plate. Yeah, I can tell you this clutch was really good shape. So I don't see any signs of the slipping clutch or like burned marks. Yeah, yeah, look at this. It's actually not too bad. I thought it's gonna be a little bit worse than that. Perfect. It's perfect shape. Nothing wrong with it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 friction plates. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clutches. Yes, so 6 friction plates and 5 clutch. All right, let's take this snap ring. Where's my screwdriver? Let me take this rack. Okay, start from here. I need a smaller one. This is too big. Yeah, just be careful. Don't pry too much, otherwise you're gonna break those. That was the demo deck. Have his own pressure plate, I guess. I can't wait to see that clutch. All right, let's go take a look. This one's K1 clutches. I may be wrong. Yeah, I mean, this looks really nice. It's like really good shape of the guy who gonna get those rebuild clutch is gonna be really happy. It's like minimum damage on the clutch. Alright, here's a K1. I think I'm not sure if I'm saying wrong, K1 or K2. I think this is the K1 and that one's K2. I'm sorry if I said wrong. It's possible. Yeah, same story. It looks pretty good. Didn't see any problems with. This one actually here is. Can you see those little changes on the color right here? Yeah, that one was toasted a little bit. Not too much. Just a little bit. I can see this part. Yep. Here it is. So, let me just wipe this. Yeah, those spots. I can tell. I hope you guys see that. So this one was definitely sleep. So that's what I think. I think this is the which gear I have issue. I have third gear issue of sleeping and second sometimes. So this is the first one. Nothing wrong on the clutch side. Same thing over here. Same marks. I mean, it was slippy, not too bad. It's not really bad damage. I'm pretty sure I could drive it, continue to drive with this Just have to bring the boost down a little bit on a lunge, and I should be fine. So yeah, here is, so this is these smaller clutches was slipping. We can see this by the friction plate. Just for example, same thing you see over here, marks. You know, it's nothing I can see on the clutch side. The clutch looks good. Alright, anyway, to see the difference, you see that's the nothing in here. So it's holding pretty good. See it? I'm gonna take a look on data, and I'm not sure which one is K1 and K2. I'll post it the picture. I'll find it in my computer. But it seems like this is the first gear, probably first, actually, yeah, first, third, fifth, seventh. So first and third, that's where I got slip on the third gear, but I have a slip in the second gear as well. Oh, here it is. Here it is, baby. Here is the sign. There you go. Now we can see clearly right here. It was definitely slip. Let's check the clutch. Another one is even worse. So what I can tell you guys, my car made about 550 torque to the wheel, and if I dial back a couple psi of the boost down, like 25, 24, I never had issue with the slipping clutch. So I'm assuming 520 to the wheel, 500 flat probably to the wheel. 520 is the safe mark for the stock clutches. I mean, it all depends. How do you set your boost and everything? I play with the boost profile many like over the year. I could do nice and smooth. Yeah, that one is really bad. You can see this one is toasted. It was just about to slip bad, but still not too bad. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Hopefully guys, you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so here's the last 4 friction plates. Actually, that one is good, not 4. How many? I would say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they always slip. So this is the last 2. It's the worst one. Alright, and this one is all the way in the bottom. Got a little bit marks in here as well. Clutches looks good though. So alright, good to know. So we know exactly the limit of these clutches. So let's say, to be safe, let's say 500 to the wheel torque. That's gonna be like safe zone for the stock clutches. If you want to push more, you might have to go with the stage, whatever, 2 or 3 like me, and yeah, and this should take care of the problem. I should have the clutches pretty like tomorrow or something. I can't wait to install that. As soon as I put the clutches in and the transmission, I'm putting my engine back in, and I still have to do little stuff like intercooler, water to air is gonna take a time as well. Few more things I have to change in my car. You know, I want to do really good installation of the exhaust pipe and turbo manifold. So I'm gonna take this car to the race on the truck, and I have to make sure everything is insulated properly and air dynamically supposed to be, you know, cooled the engine bay as well. So I gotta put the hood grills. Yeah, can't wait. I'm already missing those days when I drove this car. It's really fun to drive it. It's, you know, you have to feel it. It's hard to explain, but yeah. I forgot how this was. Yeah, this one was. I think that's the way it was. Yeah, guys. So you got, you know, pretty much everything, because lots of you was asking how the clutch looks and la 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 la. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna save few dollars on the shipping. I'm gonna pull my clutch myself. So I'm sending this back to Dima, and again, Dima, thank you so much for hooking me up with the clutches, and can't wait to test them, and you know, definitely gonna review your clutches. Alright guys, thank you.